Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Today we're gonna make a juice to cleanse out our liver. This is easy to make. You can drink it as many times as you want during the week, whenever you want, but it is very, very beneficial for your liver. We're gonna first put some green apples in our blender. I cored them. I'm just going to cut them all up and put them in here. Green apples have a component called polyphenols, which fight the lipids in your liver. Also, the pectin in apples is anti-inflammatory. It's great for cleansing your liver. So this is very good. So we're just gonna cut that up inside our blender without the seeds or the core. So now we're gonna add some celery. Celery increases the production of enzymes in your body, which also attacks the lipids that want to stay in your liver. It's a great cleanser as well. We are going to make sure we remove all of the little strings so that you don't have that pesky, stringy stuff inside your drink, okay? Unless you have a super powerful blender, then please remove it. Obviously wash it. So that was one apple and 2 stalks of celery, okay? Now I'm gonna add a handful of spinach. Spinach is great for your body. It is full of antioxidants and it is a great ingredient to protect your liver. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon in here. Obviously lemon, a great detox also. I'm gonna add some water. As you can see, it's filtered in my Brita. Maybe a cup. And I am going to go blend it. And here's our juice. Cheers, guys. Bottoms up. This has so much fiber in it, guys, from the apple, the spinach, and the celery. And it's so good for us. Oh my gosh, I hope you make it and I hope you love it. And thanks for watching the video. And here's a green smile for you. Bye.